gonna happen. Just deal with it. Oh, that just flew off. Alright, we're doing 66. And instead of doing a Pokemon opening, which I didn't get any, so we're just going to do more DeLorean. Here's our pieces, some wires, a bunch of little pieces this time. See what kind of stuff we got here. Looks like we even got some like little springs, AM screws. Get some wires. Yeah, it looks like there's a button. A bunch of little pieces. So some of this is for like the door mechanisms and stuff like that. So it looks like to start, we're going to flip this upside down. It looks like we are going to be starting off today with right inside here. I think we got to get 4 of these pieces here. Get 4 of those, and 4 of the springs should all be in this bag. And hopefully I don't lose any of these pieces. Spring. So the spring will go right on that knob. Right, so it stays on there pretty good. I mean, I just pushed it on there, and it's you can see it's on there, so that's good. We're gonna put 1 on each of those 4 pieces. As long as one doesn't fly out and I lose it, which is a possibility because that's just my luck. Okay, 1 more. There we go. And then these are going to go on the top for like the wing doors. Looks like you just set them all in there. Oh, we got the other pieces to hold them down. Maybe these bigger tabs will go on top to hold them in there. And we only got AM screws, so that would be the screws we're going to use. We get that in there, and we do the same thing in all 4 of those spots. There we go. So it's coming along here. Almost.
Peanut butter and jelly. No, it's peanut butter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Alright, there we go. We got all those on there. Flip the car back over. You see, we got all those. We still got more pieces. So we have these little knobs there. I think these are just wire holders. That looks like it's going to go right in there, so it's going to be a part of kind of like what holds the door, I'm guessing. If I can get it in there. Believe it's going to be like that. Fall out of it? Okay. This is showing me to take the white wire. Will be going in here. I believe like that. I don't know. I think it's with the with the open wire for the tabs. I think that's supposed to be on top. So it looks like you feed that through the opening. There we go. Oh, that is gonna push the button. Screw that in. So that might trigger probably door lights or something. Maybe when you turn it on, or when you open the door, the interior lights come on, probably something like that. I'm not sure. I mean, that makes sense to me. Turn this around and do the other side, same thing. Get that little piece in there if we can. Oh, there we go. There's my tweezers. So I grab the tweezers, it still doesn't help me. There we go. Do the same thing with this side. We got like that. Feed the wire through. This is going to probably be a pain. All again. I might get it with it. It'd take me all day if I have to sit here. It's gonna go in. It's gonna happen. Just deal with it. Gosh, that just flew off. Crap. I gotta go find that piece now. I think I heard it somewhere over here. I think I found it. That could have been really bad. I don't know what I'd do if I didn't find it. I'm just going to keep trying until I get it. I must have just got lucky on the other side. Fell again. Wonder if I can get that in there first, and then slip this on over that. Hey, worked. So I got lucky I was able to find that, because that could have been really bad. Alright, now we're going to flip this over again, because now we got to run these wires. It looks like. Let's see what I want to do with this. Looks like it's going to run down like that. So we do got the little hold down tab things like we've seen in the other parts with all the wires. like that will go there. Get that started.
Peanut butter and jelly.
And the other one, this piece.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Alright, that's going to come out the back there. Do the same thing for the other side. Doesn't want to cooperate. But either way, I'm not going to edit this out. I mean, you can fast forward through the stuff, but I'm not editing it. You can see that I do struggle. If I do all that editing, it can, I could make it look like I'm just a natural pro at this kind of stuff when I'm not. Cut it all short and make it look like look how fast he does it. No.
Peanut butter and jelly. No, peanut butter.
Alright, so there we go. I got those wires in. And that is the issue. Turn this back over. Wires come out the back is where they're supposed to be. I think we're going to start on the door for the next issue. So that'll be cool. And be sure to come back for that.